Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn digital marketing with AI. Begin by grasping fundamental AI concepts, such as machine learning and natural language processing. Next, explore how AI tools can automate routine marketing tasks and analyze vast amounts of data. This foundational knowledge will help you identify specific areas where AI can significantly enhance your digital marketing efforts, setting a strong base for practical application. Now, dive into practical application by experimenting with various AI tools. Try AI-powered platforms for generating compelling content for your blogs and social media. Leverage AI for sophisticated audience segmentation, allowing for highly personalized advertising campaigns. Additionally, implement AI analytics to extract deeper, actionable insights from your marketing data, optimizing your strategies for better results. Next, focus on strategically integrating AI into your overall marketing plan. Develop clear strategies for using AI to optimize your search engine optimization and significantly improve search rankings. Learn how to effectively integrate AI chatbots to provide enhanced customer service and streamline lead qualification processes. Always measure the impact of your AI implementations on key performance indicators to ensure continuous improvement. Finally, commit to continuous learning to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving field of AI in digital marketing. Regularly follow industry leaders and specialized AI marketing blogs for the latest developments and trends. Actively participate in online courses and workshops to deepen your knowledge and skills. Networking with other professionals will also provide valuable insights and help you share best practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.